In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Amazon Associates program and fill out the associate form. This is a crucial step if you're looking to earn income by promoting products from the world's largest online marketplace. So, let's get started. First off, you'll need to visit the Amazon Associates website. This is your main hub for becoming an Amazon affiliate. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a sign-up option. Click on that, and this will guide you through the registration process. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to have all your information ready beforehand to make it smoother. The first thing you'll be asked to provide is information about your websites, mobile apps, or YouTube channels. Here, Amazon wants to understand where you plan to share their product links. It's crucial to ensure that the websites or platforms you list comply with Amazon's content guidelines, so double-check that they meet all requirements before proceeding. Providing accurate and detailed information is key to getting approved. Next, you'll need to choose your preferred store ID. This is essentially your unique identifier within the Amazon Associates program. Pick something that represents your brand well and that you can easily remember. This ID will be used to track the commissions you earn, so make sure it's something you'll recognize. Moving on, you'll describe how you plan to drive traffic to your listed platforms. Amazon wants to ensure that you have a solid plan in place for reaching potential customers. Here, be as detailed as possible. Mention any strategies you plan to use, such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, or email marketing. The more comprehensive your plan, the better. This helps Amazon assess your potential as an affiliate. After that, you'll need to provide your payment information. Amazon will use this to pay out your earnings, so it's important to provide accurate details. Double-check your bank account or any other preferred method to ensure all the information is correct. Inaccuracies here could delay your payments, so take your time to verify. Finally, you'll need to fill out your tax information. This is often a step people overlook, but it's crucial for ensuring smooth operation and compliance with legal requirements. The form will typically ask for your tax identity number and other relevant details. Take care to fill it out accurately, as mistakes can cause issues down the line. Once you've submitted all this information, you can sit back and wait for approval. The process usually takes a few days, so be patient. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up to become an Amazon associate. Remember, the key to success in this program is to maintain transparency and adhere to Amazon's guidelines. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your affiliate journey.